Hey guys, something different today. It's not green, but it's groovy. It's Earthworm Jim by PDNA, and I found out the P stands for premium, but I thought it should stand for plastic, and then DNA could stand for whatever DNA stands for, because they're made of plastic like we're made of DNA. Premium DNA is probably something 20 years ago I would have told you I had, but time has changed my mind on that one. So this guy is awesome. The box is damaged. That's because I got it from AliExpress, but his eyes, looks like his eyelids or his eyelashes are a little too big. That's a nice background. 2 extra sets of hands. That's awesome. Just like an old school ray gun, I guess it would be called back in the day. But yeah, that's awesome. 3 different heads. This one he's looking that way, and this one he's looking straight at you and he's happy. That's cool. His eyes pretty wide open. Yeah, it doesn't look as bad when it's out of the plastic, but there's like a little thing with his pupil there. I don't know, do you notice it? It's not as bad out of the box. And he comes with 3 different versions of snot. I guess this goes into his backpack or replaces the backpack. Can you open the backpack? I don't think that opens. Does it come off? Oh, the lid came off. So it doesn't open, but it comes off. You just pull it out. That was by accident, otherwise I would have given up. And then you can slide snot in. So he's just hanging out, seeing what's going on. I guess this is him when he's just hanging out on the floor. And this version where he's coming at you. In the game, when you like have your like lasso and you're swinging on things, is it snot? Or I always thought he pulls himself out of the suit and uses his worm body as the lasso. Played it recently, but not all the way through because it's on Nintendo Switch, on Sega and Super Nintendo, but I forget which one has which. 1 and 2, but I wish they were both on Sega or just both for both, because I had Sega when I was a kid. That's what I played it on. But he's awesome. I had the figure of him when I was a kid. That was near the end of my playing with action figures until I grew to be an old man and started collecting them, because when I was a teenager I had other interests. But yeah, this guy's sick. But he had a bigger spacesuit and bigger rim on his spacesuit because he had a dome like this for a helmet, I'm pretty sure. Let me know if you remember. But yeah, it was awesome when I was a kid, and I'm super happy to have this guy now. So that's how he scales with Astronaut Raph or Space Cadet Raph. I just customized him last week based on 2001 A Space Odyssey. And this is him beside NECA Arcade Turtle. Because if you're new here, every other video on my channel is about Ninja Turtles and making custom toys and opening cool Ninja Turtle toys that I bought. But that's Earthworm Jim out of the box, and thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.